Well, it's very interesting when you become president or leader of a group, you have all these goals and you think, oh, this is what we're going to do this year. Well, that is definitely not what happened because life happened. And during that time, there was a big push to give buyers the opportunity to be represented like sellers were. So there were advocates out there advocating for buyer agency. We were one of the last states to adopt buyer agency. It was a big, there was a lot of discussion, a lot of turmoil, and it was passed one night very late and attached to the budget, as I recall. So I ended up spending most of that year talking to the press. And I have to say, thank you to the MAR staff who got me through that, and especially the legal team, because I was talking to the press constantly about what did MAR do in the middle of the night, et cetera, et cetera. But we were working for our members and we were reacting to the needs of the members when that was done. That is what I remember about that biggest advocacy event that year. Happy birthday, MAR. 100 years. Wow.